Cooking apa?
Hi, this is Cooking Apa. Today I'm going to make a curry ribs, pork ribs. Very nice. Very commonly found in Johor Bahru. Not many places selling in KL. Strange, don't know why. Now I have approximately, this is maybe about 500-600 grams of pork ribs. Some is actually soft bone. So then we have approximately few pieces of potato cut into chunks. And after you cut the potato, deskin the potato, you want to put it inside water. If not, it will oxidize very fast. Then we will make the curry paste ourselves, not difficult at all. I have approximately, this is probably about 1/4 of the yellow onion, 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic, ginger, shallot, and also fresh coriander roots. Then we have few different kinds of powders here. 2 teaspoons or 2 ratio of red chili powder, 1 ratio of coriander powder, 1 ratio of turmeric powder, and 1 ratio of ready mix chili powder. Now the fundamental is these 3, 2, 1, 1. This one is optional, right? And when I say 1 ratio today, I actually use teaspoon. If you cook a lot more, you can use tablespoon, right? Then, of course, we need some coconut milk, and I'll be using my Cooking Apa chicken powder to make chicken stock. Give it a good amount of oil here. Anything with curry, put in a lot more oil is fine, don't worry. Heat it up. So once your wok is heated up, put all this into the wok and saute for a couple of minutes before we continue. We shall come back shortly. Last time I used to use tomato. Recently I like to use big yellow onion. The difference is I actually find the curry to be more natural sweeter when I use yellow onion. So yeah, go ahead and use the yellow onion to replace the tomato. If you want your yellow onion to get softened faster, you can actually put in a little bit of salt right now. That will help. This is after about sauteing about 1-2 minutes. Next thing, we are going to lower down the heat. Very important, must lower down the heat. Then we shall put in the powders. If not, your powders can get burned very easily. After you put in the powders, then only you slowly increase the heat to maybe about medium low or medium. And you want to slowly and keep on stirring and sauteing this for about a couple of minutes before we continue. Alright, this is after about 4-5 minutes sauteing. Next thing, we can actually put in the pork ribs. I actually marinated the pork ribs with a little bit of fish sauce. Raise the heat to medium high. Oh. The characteristic of this curry ribs that we usually eat is a very thick style of curry. Very creamy. So you definitely wanted to put in some coconut milk. Wow, nice. Next thing, we are going to put in the chicken stock. Prepare some a bowl of hot water, then put in about 1 to 2 teaspoons of my Cooking Apa chicken stock powder, and it becomes chicken stock right away. Very fast. You can get it from Shopee, Malaysia, or Singapore. Yeah? You only need this to be the broth to be just enough to cover all this potato and also ribs. Later, we still want to add in some coconut milk towards the end. Alright, now we need to season this so that when it is the curry is really cooking, it will actually flavor your potato and ribs at the same time. So we shall give it a little bit of salt to start with. You need to add in some sugar as well. Actually, the sugar after salt will help to intensify the potency of your salt. And I don't mind putting a little bit of my premium Vietnamese fish sauce. Right, this is now boiling. Next thing I'm going to do is going to close the lid, tune down to a medium or medium low, and let it cook for about 20 to 30 minutes. On and off, you may want to give it a few stir so that the bottom will not stick, yeah? Just in case. Right, this is after 20 minutes simmering under medium heat or medium low. You can see the broth, the curry broth has actually thickened out and reduced by itself. Oh. Okay, the potato. If you're not sure, you just use something to pierce through the potato. To me, I know it's already fully cooked. I'm going to put in some coconut milk. I'll just off the heat. Put in approximately, this is about 20 ml of 200 ml, sorry, 200 ml of coconut milk. Give it a few stir. Wow, extremely creamy right now. I definitely don't mind having some extra curry broth so that tomorrow I can eat it with some roti, some bread. Yeah, nice. It's almost done. Now we are before serving. You just want to use some salt and also sugar to adjust to taste. And oh, this clay pot is only 1,000. It's only 1 liter, 1,000 ml, but you can put a lot of things. I hope you like my very simple video today. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come Cooking Abba Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow Abba on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Abba YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.